Hello students, good morning. We are learning about birds. Now today's period we are going to see about feathers. There are different kinds of feathers on bird's body. Bird's body is covered with feathers. A bird's body, wing, tail is covered with feathers. There are mainly three types of feathers. Flight feathers which help birds to fly, down feathers which keep the bird warm, and body feathers which give shape to bird's body. Now we will see more about these three types of feathers. So number one is flight feathers. Flight feathers are long and flat. These are found in the wings and tail. They help the birds to fly. Now next, down feathers. Down feathers are short and soft. They are help birds to keep their body warm. Whenever birds are hatching their eggs, they need to keep them warm. So keeping their eggs warm, their down feathers are helpful for them. These type of feathers are soft and fluffy. These feathers mostly found on downside of a bird, which help to keep their body warm. Number three, that is body feathers. Body feathers are in different sizes. They give shape to bird's body. You will see a different kinds of birds have different kinds of feathers on their body. They have a different colors also. Okay. These feathers cover the body of the bird and they give shape to bird's body. Okay, so these three types of feathers found on bird body. First one is flight feathers who help the birds to fly. They are long and flat. Next, down feathers. Down feathers are soft and fluffy, who keep the bird's body warm, and they are found on downside of a bird. Number three, that is body feathers. Body feathers cover the bird's body and they give the shape to bird's body. Body feathers are in a different color. Okay. Now given you words that you are going to copy in your notebook. Number one, that is flight feathers. Number two, down feathers. Number three, body feathers. Number four, fluff. Okay. Now see on page number 44, one activity is given there. In that activity, you have to collect different kinds of feathers and you have to separate them as a body feather, down feather and flight feather. Okay. Also find to which birds they belong. Then see on same page number 44, multiple choice questions are given here. You have to solve these multiple choice questions by your. In that number one is the only animals with feathers are correct, birds. Number two, the feathers that keep a bird warm are correct, body feather. Okay.